Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to add music audio on Facebook story. First of all, launch your Facebook app in your mobile device. After that, on the top we can see the create story option. Select that, and from your devices select one of the video or the photo that you want to put it in your story. After that, we could see on the left hand side there's an audio icon with the music icon over here, and if you want to mix your audio you can simply mute it, but if you want to put it on the full volume you can also do that. If you want to add the voiceover, tap on the voiceover, or you can also add the music from the Facebook. And over here there's a for you, all the musics are available. Just tap on one of the music, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.